How to copy and paste on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can copy as well as also paste on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Copying and pasting on your iPhone is actually a very simple thing to do. All you have to do is, first of all, let's say that you want to copy something from your messenger text, and then you just go to a certain person's profile here, and then you just select a message right over here and then just hit the copy option. After you select the copy option over here, let's say you want to paste it to somewhere. Let's say you open up Instagram, you go to the DMs tab, and then you just go to someone's profile, and basically you can long press and then paste it just like that, and then right over there you should be able to go ahead and then copy and paste them. Now, other thing, there is also a feature called the drag and drop feature. This feature will allow you to drag and drop photos or videos from any sort of sites. So over here, let's say I want to basically drag this little photo here. I can just go ahead and then select it like this, and once I select it like this, I can just go ahead and rule it out, and I can open any notes application or whatever else over here. I can tap on continue, I can tap on the add new note option, and I can just release my fingers like this, and that will get successfully added. This works with text as well as also for photos, depending upon whatever else it is that you prefer. This way you will be able to copy and paste on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.